making another video, and my dad's gonna send both of them to YouTube. And my Roomba is not working very well, right, Pa?
Mm-hmm.
Cause look, it says this error.
Error 6. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press clean to restart.
See, that's why it says it. Cause I keep doing that. So now we're fixing it.
What are you doing?
So I'm gonna check that debris if it's good. So this debris is good. It's not making any noise. I mean, there's no hair in there. Now check the second. It has a little hair. No hair actually. No hair. There's some hair here.
Oh, there was some hair on that one?
Yeah, so now we're done, but don't pause this video yet. I need to show you the Roomba. So now you do this, and then after press clean to restart. That's that.
And it started?
Wait, that's the end of the video.
Okay.
But wait, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna block it.
Oh, okay, thank you.